If your Android phone's photo gallery is locked and you've forgotten the password, you can still access your photos from the file manager, but if the file manager is also locked, don't panic. There's a solution for you. Before I share the solution, please support our channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. All right, here's the first step. Open the Play Store and search for a gallery app. For speed, choose one with a small file size. For instance, I'll install this 4 MB gallery because it seems to be the smallest one available. The small size means the download and installation process will be faster. Once the installation is done, tap Open. Choose the language for the interface, then press OK. Next, tap Grant to allow the app access to your internal memory. When prompted, tap Allow, and got it. Now you can access your photo gallery, and if necessary, back up your photos and videos before resetting your device. I hope this tutorial helped solve your problem.